So in this video I will tell you that how to know if somebody blocked you on TikTok. So like there is no like official way that you can check that who blocks you on TikTok and who does not, but there is a way to actually check. Okay, so here so you need actually you need basically two accounts for this. Okay, so I am going to search for one of my TikTok account, one of my friends their TikTok account. So here you can see that here is his name, Munib Shahzad. Okay, now as you can see that his account is shown to me on my this TikTok account. Okay, which means this person does not block me. Okay, but if you think that this person is blocked you, or if I think that this person has blocked me, so I will check this username, okay, from my another account, and if his account will show up there and this account is not showing up on my this account, then which means that this person has blocked me. So this is a way to actually check if somebody blocked you on TikTok or not. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.